हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मोरेसर अकॅडमी. मित्रांनो, मोरेसर अकॅडमीमध्ये मी शुभांगी बागुल आपले स्वागत करते. मोरेसर अकॅडमी या यूट्यूब चॅनलच्या माध्यमातून आपण इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप, चिटचॅट, मार्जिन क्वेश्चन अभ्यासणार आहोत. यासाठी तुम्ही आमच्या चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करून बाजूची बेल आयकॉन दाबून ऑल नोटिफिकेशन सिलेक्ट करा. 10th इंग्लिश 1.1 अ टीनेजर प्रेयर्स इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप. सुरुवात करूया आपल्या वर्कशॉप मधील फर्स्ट क्वेश्चनला. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ह अँड द कंप्लीट गिवन सेंटेन्स. A. According to the poet, dash dash are brought by each new day. Option: new beginnings or new endings. Answer: new beginnings. B. We must decide to take the road which leads to dash dash. Option: great distress or great success. Answer: great success. C. The poet prays to the Lord to help him stand for what is. Option: might or right. Answer: right. D. The poet wants to see that his teenage years have been the dash dash year of his life. Option: worst or best. Answer: best. Come to the next question. Second question. Find and write the prayers of rhyming word from the poem. Answer: first, make, take. Second, success, distress. Third, see me. Fourth, way, day. Fifth, see me. Next, what is rhyme scheme of the poem? Choose the correct one from the following options. Options: AABB, ABCD, ABCB or ABBA. Answer: ABCB. Fourth question. Match the line in column A with the figure of speech in column B. Column A first, decisions I must make. Column B, answer, inversion. Column A second, please open up my eyes, dear Lord. Column B, answer, apostrophe. Column A third, travel down the dark night road. Column B, answer, alliteration. Fourth, I can choose to take the road of life. Answer, metaphor. Come to the fifth question. Elements of planning an interview. From groups and discuss each elements of planning an interview and prepare a note on each element. Format, structure, size, length, how much, does or does not, type of questions. Answer: first, format, structure. The format should consist the name of interview and interviewer, other detail as topic, venue, date and time. Second, size, length, how much. 10 to 15 questions. Does or don'ts. Does. Make the candidates feel comfortable. Ask him to sit down. Ask some friendly question initially. Don'ts. Do not bombard him with questions. Do not interrupt while candidate is speaking. Type of question include WH type questions, open-ended, closed, and yes no type questions. Come to the sixth question. Prepare a set of 10 questions to interview any successful teenager. You must use the following guidelines. Standard template for conclude an interview format. या ठिकाणी फॉर्मॅट दिलेला आहे, त्याचा आन्सर बघूया. आन्सर: नेम ऑफ इंटरव्ह्यू अजित शिंदे. नेम ऑफ इंटरव्ह्यूअर टीव्ही रिपोर्टर अजय कुमार. टॉपिक: सिंगिंग. व्हेन्यू: एक्स टीव्ही चॅनल. Date 20th May 2019. Time 5 p.m. Duration half an hour. Questions. First, how do you feel now that you have become a TV star? Second, why did you decide to participate in the reality show? Third, how did you apply for it? Fourth, who is your guru? Fifth, how many participants were there in all? Sixth, what is your specialty in singing? Seven, what are the awards you have received? 8. What are your plans for future? 9. What is your advice to young aspirants? 10. What can you do to encourage them? Come to the next question. Question number 7. Read the poem. Write an appreciation of the poem in about 10 to 15 sentences with the help of the following points: title, poet, rhyme scheme, favorite line, and last theme or central idea. Title: A Teenager Prayers. Poet: J. Morse. Rhyme scheme: there are rhyming words and the rhyme scheme is ABCB. Favorite line: please open up my eyes, dear Lord. Bring out the best of me. Theme or central idea: everyone has to pass various stages in life. The first and the important stage in the teenagers. A teenager has to choose his road of life. There are many temptations in the way. A teenager prays Lord to show him or her the right path upon Lord to walk with him or her. To the next question. Question number 8. Compose a short prayer in English asking God to guide you and your teenage years. Later, you can even try to make the lines rhyme to give it a poetic form. Answer: oh God, bless me with friends with purest heart, who will always stand by me in dark and dust. Let your friendship grow clean and right. My future bright will be in my slide. Question number 9. Look around your vicinity, your family, friends, neighbor, classmate, etc. and write about any 4 teenagers who have made a name for themselves by doing something extraordinary. Answer: column A, teenage group. Column B, names. Third, extraordinary tasks, special things performed. First, family. Second, Anita. And third column tags, pass SST in spite of a severe accident. Second, friends. Ankush, save a child for a wild bear. Third, neighbor. Anand, cleverly cloud rubber. Four classmates. Anjali, won a medal in the Commonwealth Games. आशा करते मित्रांनो तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडलेला असेल. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस व्हिडिओ फ्रेंड्स.